Welcome to the ALD family. And congratulations on your new car. By choosing us as your car leasing partner, a world of services is at your fingertips. At ALD Automotive, we always try to schedule car services at service centers that are authorized by the car dealership centers, abiding by the service schedule of the OEM. That way, we offer you a quality service and uphold the car manufacturer's warranties. To book your car service, just use the My ALD Driver app. Download it on iStore or Play Store, or call our customer care team on 1800-209-5253 to inform them about the service required. Our maintenance service extends to regular vehicle maintenance. That's all the routine checkups. And mechanical repairs, where we give recommendations on irregularities. Exclusive to a chosen few ALD Automotive customers, this 24/7 program covers your car's breakdowns for up to 100 kilometers from your registered location. To check the list of cities where this service is applicable, visit the website. In case of any car malfunction, emergency or breakdown, you can ask for immediate help on the roadside emergency assistance number. Is your vehicle in the workshop for repairs? No worries. Relief Car to the rescue. When your vehicle is up for maintenance, it's picked up by ALD and delivered at an address within city limits after the service. We arrange for an appropriate insurance cover for the lease period. In accidents, our breakdown assistance partners help move the vehicle to the nearest authorized workshop. Follow up with the workshop on repairs and manage its payment. That's not all. We also obtain insurance company approval for repair costs. Finally, you can count on us for an easy exit in case the car is stolen or it turns into a total loss. Phone within 24 hours to report a car accident or damage on 1800-209-5253 or complete the damage repair form on the My ALD Driver app. Wondering how to return your car? It's smoothly done in 3 simple steps. First, our representative driver in a metro city or a third-party provider in a non-metro location will pick up your car and drop it off at an ALD warehouse. Next, our third-party vendor will inspect your car to check if it's been returned in standard condition. Lastly, if the vehicle does not pass the standard condition inspection, our team will come back with rebuild details within 10 working days of the car's return. Tap into the vast world of ALD Automotive services. Fast with the My ALD Driver app. Refer easily to contract details, view and upload your car's important documents, and so much more. My ALD Driver app is the future of convenience. So download it today and drive into a world of convenience. ALD, ready to move you.